Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this class, we are going to learn about octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Before we start this class, let's review our previous class. We have learned about decimal number system and binary number system. To tell simply, we use 10 digits in decimal number system. In binary number system, we use only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Now we will start this class. What is octal number system?
What is octal number system? So octal number system is mainly used in computers, that is in older system. So used in older computing systems. Older computing systems. It is also called base 8 number system. Mainly depends on only 8 numbers. Base 8 number system. So what are those numbers? Digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I will explain how to convert octal number system into decimal number and vice versa. So we will take one example. 57 base 8. Same how we have convert binary number into decimal number, same method we will follow here. First we will take from right to left. So for right number 7, for that 8 power 0 we have to do, and for first 5, 8 power 1. I think you have understand. So 5 into 8, 40 plus 7 into 8 power 0, anything power 0 will get 1. So 7 into 1, 7. Last, if after adding 40 plus 7, we will get 47. Which is the answer. And I will explain reverse of converting decimal number into binary number system. We will take same example. So second one, convert decimal into octal number system. So same example we will take 47. So I have already explained in binary number system, same method we will follow here. So first we will take 47 and we will check whether 47 will get in 8 table or not. So 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 48 is bigger than 47. So we will take only 40. So for that quotient, what is the quotient? 5 and remainder is 7. And now again 8 table, we will check whether 5 comes or not. 5 won't come because 8 is bigger than 5. So 8 zeros will take. 8 zeros 0. So 5 minus 0, 5. That's it. So finally we will take from bottom to top order. So finally what we will get? 57. I hope you understand how to convert octal number system into decimal number system and reverse of that.
We have learned what is octal number system, and now we will see what is hexadecimal number system.
Finally fourth one, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. This is also used in computers. So first one, used in computing. It is mainly used in memory address. If you want to store something, so for that we need memory and also location. So in that hexadecimal number systems are used, and also for color codes. These are some examples. Okay, and what are those numbers? It uses Mixing of both numbers and alphabets. What are those? From 0 to 9 and from A to F. So these 10 numbers and these are 6 numbers. Total 16. That is why the name has come hexadecimal number system. Okay. Now I will explain how to convert hexadecimal number system into binary number system. Convert hexadecimal into decimal number system. We will take one example. 1a base 16. So only base 16, no, that's why reverse order. 1 into 16 power 1 plus 10 into 16 power 0. So what we will get? 26. How? 1 into 16 16 plus 10 into 16 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So 1 into 10 10. So 16 plus 10 26. So this is the final answer. So after converting 1a 16 to the decimal, what we got? 26.
By this class we have learned all the 4 number system. That are those: binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Remaining 8 more are there. Those are comes under types of numbers that I will explain in the next video. If you have any doubt regarding this class, please let me know in the comment section so that I can make a dedicated video to clear all your doubts. This concludes this class. Please watch next video for types of numbers.